Hello, my beautiful fans. Your beautiful chef is here, Chef Afusa. Hey, in today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook perfect yam. This is our tray, this is our yam, this is our knife, and this is our basket. As you can know, we have different shade of yam. This yam is abukuisu. Yes, I've eaten it in my house before I now bring it for you guys to see it very neat. Okay. Anytime I'm teaching you, make sure you focus what I'm teaching you. You focus. So you focus in your kitchen. Okay, let's go and cut our yam. So these two slices is okay. Hey, do about me? Nigeria is not smiling. Everything is too cost. Hope you guys are seeing it though. It's very simple. You can cut it very well. You don't need to stress yourself in your kitchen. In as much you know what you want to cook. Be careful when you are cutting it. You have to be very careful. Yes. You now take your yam and put it inside your basket like this. Right now, you are going to wash it. You must have imototo is very good in your kitchen. So let's go and wash it. Follow me. So wash it very well. Wash it very well. Make sure you clean it so all the daga will be out of it. As you can all see, it's very neat. We are now ready to pour it inside our pot. Let's see. Take your pot. Don't forget to wash your pot. And you will now collect water that you want to use to cook your perfect yam. Like I always tell you, it depends on how you want your food to be swelled up. So it will be enough for all the extended and inextended family. So I think our water is okay now. Jesus! So you now take your yam. That's no me. Pour it inside your water.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
We now rearrange all these ones to the back. So this is our yam we are about to cook. We will now take our lighter. This is our gas. You know, our gas are they use. Hey, like Afusa, what rubbish are you teaching people on social media? Are you trying to pursue women out of their marriage? How dare you to enter my kitchen and be challenging me? And which people are complaining for you that I'm teaching them rubbish? Look at you. Don't you always read your comments? Like, which comments? Comments will be say, I dey always read. Now only you always comment bad thing on my page with your bad belly. And I don't blame you. It's because I sabi cook. It's not easy to be a chef. That is why I'm teaching people. Is it called they pepper you? Hey, look at this one. You can cook my food. What rubbish are you cooking? Okay, this is how you guys cook in your village, Abi.
Yes.
This is how you guys cook your yam. Alright, Sony. So my viewers, Jare, where are we before we get an interruption? So let's continue. This is our yam. After, like I said, believe me, you are not going to teach them this rubbish today while I'm here. Fire. And carry our Reseli. Just be teaching people what is not heat. I dare you to teach them anything again. As you can see, that Omale did not allow me to teach you how to cook perfect yam. See you guys next class. Bye bye.